next DIY, I have these wreaths that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, 18-inch wreaths, and I got 2 of them because, let's face it, Dollar Tree wreaths are a little sparse. So what I'm gonna do is add the 2 together to make it just a little bit more full. I'm just fluffing out the branches here to make it look a little bit more realistic, right? So there we have it. I'm gonna take the second wreath and I'm going to layer it with the first. But before I do that, I want to also fluff up the branches on this one as well. And we are going to make this Dollar Tree wreath look like something more expensive than what it actually is for just a couple dollars. All right, now that we have both wreaths fluffed pretty well, I'm going to take one and put it right on top of the other. And I'm going to attach them by simply twisting the branches of one with the branches of another.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today's video is in collaboration with the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club. Every day from November 1st through the 12th, we will be bringing you all manner of holiday decorating inspiration. Check my description box below for the playlist link as well as the links to all of my co-host channels.
So, I'm gonna start here by just putting in some red ribbon, and I'm just using the branches to secure it as I go around. You want to make those puffs nice and big because it's going to add volume to this Dollar Tree wreath. And already that is looking so much better. Next, I'm going to come in with this red and white candy stripe ribbon, also from Walmart. And this is a little bit wider. I believe this is a 3.5-inch ribbon. So I'm going to start by dovetailing the end. Gives it a nice finished look. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to do the exact same thing. But I'm going to concentrate on the outside edge of our wreath. So next, I'm going to come in, not going to say bows are my speciality, but I try the best that I can with them. So it's not the best, but it is not horrible. And I think once we fluff it out a bit, it'll come out looking pretty good. And dovetail all those ends for a nice finished. I'm gonna take this and using that piece of wire, attach this to our wreath. And I'm just wrapping that piece of wire around one of our branches. And that looks very pretty. And I also had just a little bit of this, I believe it's like a Mardi Gras beads that I had on hand. And I figured, what the hell? Let's add that in too. And here we are. Dollar Tree Christmas. And I think that bow actually came out pretty darn nice. So this is the first wreath. You'll see me do a couple of others, but I'm pretty pleased with the way this came out.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.